Hello, my name is Kev from Data Sites, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Xero entities, multiple Xero entities, consolidated into Power BI and or Excel with one click, and or pushed to Google Sheets. So yeah, you're aware of your problem. You know that you've got multiple Xero entities and that you want that data in one place. I'd suggest starting off by pulling that data into Excel with one click and taking your existing Excel reports, and instead of building those XLOOKUPs and SUMIFs, etc., off of 16 exported P&Ls. If you've got 16 entities, we can replace that all with one click. So let me show you how you can get started. So first thing is just to create an account with us. So click on Try It Free, enter in a few details. You'll get a verification email, and boom, you now have your own account. We call it your Data Hub. To show you a little bit of the end goal, so we do have these templates for you. If you want them, just get in touch. We don't allow people to download them off here because competitors steal our stuff because it's so good. But bottom line is, yeah, you can come out and check any of the examples, which have all Xero Consolidation. There's FX behind here. There's eliminations, console adjustments, reporting categories, all those good things that we do for really big companies. Bear in mind, you can build these reports yourselves, or you can ask us to build them for you. No problem. We also have a Excel template, which has been developed by one of our clients, Xero Consulting, and we give that to you for free as well. So bottom line is, all you'll need to do is we'll show you how to hook this up to your database. And then you can download your important tables. In this case, it's P&L report rows, budgets, and balance sheet. And the rest of these, the cash flows, the balance sheet, P&L trends, are all fed off of those tables that we download. Also heavily believe in centralizing things like mapping tables, reporting categories. If you do have any other data, shareholder interests, for example, do not put those in Excel only, please. We've got an Excel add-in which will show you, which you can upload and download and centralize that data, and that is the key to scalable and maintainable reporting. And finally, but definitely not least, some people just do not like Microsoft. They stick to GSheets. So we make it very easy through our platform, through the GSheet push service, to actually go and push consolidated data up to Google Sheets. In fact, any data you want. So that's the end goal. So how do we go about doing it? Well, now that you've created an account and you're in your account, click on Show Me the Tour. Don't be scared of the create your database thing. It's literally, hey, what part of the world do you live in? And you click create, and off you go. And the reason that's important is because that's where your credentials are. We then hook up Excel directly to there, or Power BI desktop directly to there, or push to Google Sheets, or lots of reporting tools, or other downstream systems. So all good. From there, you click on the connectors, you find Xero, click on there, and you can add your files just like any other SaaS platform. During that process, you'll see you can either select payroll, or if you have tracking categories, those will automatically be populated, and you can choose to sync with one or either or none. If you want combined tracking categories, get in touch. We do that as well. And then onto data syncs. And this is when you want your data to sync from Xero into your cloud database. So you can come here and say, we want the consolidation, we only want our reports, or we want the full sync, and we would like this daily, and blah, 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 etc. And send that, and off you go. And throughout the process, we are here. Behind this little video thing is a little chat box. We're here to support you 100%. There's various videos littered throughout the process to help guide you. There's a wizard to help guide you. And we also have a fair few videos we try to categorize to help remind you and guide you on how to get automated access to your Xero data. Any questions, anytime, call, email, Slack, Teams, Pigeon Carrier, go for it. And we are here to help guide you in your journey to 100% automated reporting and never exporting a CSV again, ever. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.